This video will cover outdoor waterproofing of tile surfaces over living spaces. We will be covering DuraDek's TileDek membrane system. Our recommended TileDek assembly includes a 3/4 inch plywood substrate, a 1/2 inch cement board backer unit bonded with mortar and cement board screws, a TileDek membrane, and tile of your choice bonded with mortar. Schluter Ditra drain mat can also be added if desired. For the thin-set mortar bond coat, we recommend Mapei's Granny Rapid mortar system. For grouting tile joints, we recommend Mapei's Ultracolor Plus FA, which is pre-sealed. At open tile edges, we recommend using Schluter's Step metal profile system. At wall upturns, we recommend using Schluter's Dialex EKE expansion joint. Choosing the right tile for outdoor use is crucial. We recommend using porcelain tile rated for freeze-thaw cycles. Dal Tile has a number of attractive slip-resistant tiles that are rated for outdoor use. If you have any questions about TileDek and the installation methods covered, please let us know.